Hello everyone, today I will talk about Gemini. Google recently introduced its latest AI chatbot, Gemini, as a replacement for its previous service, Bard, which failed to meet expectations. Originally positioned as a competitor to chatbots like ChatGPT, Bard's launch received criticism from Google staff and was deemed unsuccessful. Gemini, unveiled in December, represents Google's most advanced AI model for natural conversations. It offers two experiences, Gemini Advanced and a mobile app. Gemini Advanced provides access to Ultra 1.0, Google's most capable AI model yet. In independent evaluations, users preferred Gemini Advanced with Ultra 1.0 for tasks like coding, logical reasoning, and creative collaboration. Gemini Advanced serves as a personalized tutor, creating tailored lessons and quizzes and assisting developers with complex coding problems. It aims to inspire creators and help them expand their audience reach. Google plans to enhance Gemini Advanced with additional features such as interactive coding and expanded multimodal interactions. Access to Gemini Advanced is available through a new $19.99 per month Google One AI Premium plan, which includes a 2-month free trial and 2 TB of storage. Google emphasizes the extensive trust and safety checks undergone by Gemini Advanced, including external reviews to address concerns about content safety and bias. Additionally, Google launched mobile apps for Gemini on Android and iOS, initially supporting English conversations. These apps allow users to access basic Gemini features while on the go. Availability in other countries and languages, starting with Japan and Korea, will follow in the coming weeks. Thanks for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.